Yes, one question about the evil in the world and creation, if it has any influence on Hazua, or the evil in men and the influence on your character and mind, and what are the possibilities of men to overcome these evils and the chance to become healthy and mentally healthy.
According to Islam, every child is born on the pattern of Allah's creation, by which it means that every child is born good and no child is born bad. So later on, it is his parents or the environments which turn the child to be good or bad. But fundamentally, every child which is born is good. So evil interferes afterwards. When he grows older, either it is the evil of his parents which turn him into evil, or evil of his friends who are evil-minded, which turns him to evil, or evil of the environments, which ultimately turns him into evil. So man should be happy that he is born free of evil, and if he follows evil, it's against his conscience. The proof that man is born healthy in soul lies in the conscience. Whenever one makes a false step, the first false step immediately reminds him that it is wrong. Daily he makes many decisions, and he knows when he is taking a wrong decision, and he knows when he is taking a right decision. So the conscience is the proof that Allah has created man fully aware of evil and good, and his personal edict in every case, when he decides, is in favor of good, not in favor of evil.
If our